5 home remedies to stop hiccups. Hiccups come and go at their own free will. They are unexpected, happen often, and can be extremely uncomfortable while they last. In a medical terms, a hiccup is when there is a sudden contraction of the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles, which are located between the ribs. This spasm collides with the closed larynx and causes the hiccup sound and slight jerk. People have many remedies they believe work, but they may have little or no basis in science. Cover your mouth. Try cupping your hands over your nose and mouth, but continue breathing normally. The extra dose of carbon dioxide should help you get rid of hiccups. Use your hands. Try pressing the palm of your hand with the thumb of your other hand. The harder, the better. Alternatively, you can squeeze the ball of your left thumb between the thumb and the forefinger of the right. The discomfort is the distraction that affects your nervous system and may get rid of hiccups. Swallow something sweet. A spoonful of sugar is the popular hiccup cure because its graininess could slightly irritate the esophagus, causing the pharyngeal nerves to reset themselves. Although there is no proof of this. Peanut butter. A big spoonful of peanut butter is a classic cure if you are pondering how to get rid of hiccups. In the process of chewing and getting it off your tongue and teeth, your swallowing and breathing patterns are interrupted, and hence the hiccups will be the history. Chocolate. The process of how to get rid of hiccups get a little more difficult with this method. Eat some powdered chocolate drink mix, cocoa or Ovaltine right off the spoon. Swallowing the spoonful isn't easy, but it should cure the hiccups.